Well, we're down here next to the Boise River, and you can see that it's overflowing through the trees over here and flooding the parking lot, and you can't get to the docks. But we got the beautiful Dominique, and we're doing the basic Carolina rig for a trout. It's got our split shot here, a couple feet above the bait, and a little slip sinker above that. And I have the same thing. Dominique's gonna try everything on hers. She has worm, power bait, fish eggs, salmon eggs. I'm just gonna go with the sparkly rainbow
and you'll catch them.
Power bait. So. And we got Joseph here wanting to very badly run through the water. So, all right, we'll see how we do. Joseph and I are walking along the green belt here, and the pond is kind of blown out over the green belt. Going, and there's the Boise River. Usually, of course, this is all dry. What do you think, Joseph? Think we can get across it? Huh? You want to try? Alright, I think I have to carry you. Alright, well, we made it across, and boy, you can see that river just ripping through over there. And we're just on this thin little walkway, and we're going to try right here, huh, Joseph? So here we go. So this is what happens when you let Joseph decide where he wants to hide. Never mind that it's record flooding and the greenbelt's flooded. This is probably why women live longer than us, Jojo. Wave. Alright, Daddy's gotta come get him. That's pretty good getting out here, Joseph. Dangerous, huh? Yeah, you don't want to do it without Daddy, okay? Okay. Alright. Say bye.
Bye.
Caution, water on the pathway. You think so? Yeah, looks like there's a little bit of water on the pathway there, Jojo. What do you think? Well, no bites yet. Dominique's sporting her new pole. It even lights up when you reel it, huh, babe?
Yep.
And Dominique didn't want to bring a jacket or anything. Huh? Joseph, what are you doing? Picking up the trash? Good boy. Throw it in the trash can. There's some ducks. It's pretty cool. Good job, Joseph. Did it all by himself. Almost.
Didn't get the footage you wanted.
Well, guys, this goes to show you that we don't always catch fish. A lot of people write us and send us emails asking how we catch fish every time, and we just don't. We just get out a lot, so the odds are in our favor usually. Right, babe?
Right.
So, right?